So let's talk about these iPower grow plant bags that we've got here. So last year we actually bought the tan, but this year we changed our minds and went with the black color, creating a really beautiful contrast with our plants, our dark painted fence. And these plant grow bags are really nice because they got handles you can lift and move things around a little easier than heavy pots. But also the fabric allows more water to slowly drain out of the plant and for air to go through. So it helps the plants be warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, which helps the root system have a little more air to breathe and allows the plants to have more nutrients. So we actually bought 2 packs of the 15 gallons in a count of 10, and then we bought a pack of 2 gallons, and we love the 2 gallons because they're super cute. I mean, that is just a really cute size. But the 15 gallon is obviously for the big boys, but we really wanted to create some diversity of shapes, color of flowers, and bigger green plants, and just create a really beautiful backyard. Highly recommend. This is our 2nd year with the grow plant bags, and I would definitely buy them again.